bibigyan po natin ng pagkakataon. 1864, LLI Boss. At malapit na pong magtapos ng season 2 at tayo naman na meron. Yan. At meron din si 88158. Ito naman si 1864. Alam niyo eh, 1864 is Kumayas time. It's Kumayas time naman tayo. At bibigyan po natin ng pagkakataon na base na naman sa nakaraang mga vloggings. At nandito po, 1864. Yan. Okay mga kaibigan, welcome to LLI Bus 1864 going to San Pablo as part of ating vloggings. Ating vloggings, ayan, going out to the vloggings. Anything is possible kasi syempre maraming mararating at mararating pa. And of course, Kumayas stay around about the Kumayas world. At syempre naman, bibigyan na natin ng pagkakataon. Syempre, pangatlo it's the third. It's the third for Mr. Kumayas. That's Kumayas world today. It's all about themselves at syempre, babasahan muna na natin ang Bible ng Adult Sabbath School Lessons of Seventh-day Adventist. And Seventh-day Adventist, viewing practices all the way from the Adventist world and became talking about that. Yan, ang nagbabalik din ay another allies of Mr. Kumayas. Yan, reasonably to this shape of its moment and behind it, syempre yung guarantee yan na gusto. The guarantee stays on the future. And if the high volume, yes, this is the high volume of the syempre yung para bumili po tayo ng mahalaga at syempre at araw-araw po yan. Sabihin muna natin, and Mr. Kumayas world, the Kumayas world is probably Kumayas world probably is the technically reason about that. Yan mga kaibigan, binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon. And of course, the world of Kumayas is still gives a chance. Alam na natin yan. At magpakatatag po tayo. At being a technically reason, sabi ko itampok natin si 1864, lalo na Kumayas world. It's the Kumayas world. Taking part of the Kumayas world, it's the Kumayas world. Okay, nadadaanan po natin yung Barangay Makiling. Ang papasok po ay ang Barangay Safe. Doon kasi kami nakatira. Marami pa yan ganap kay 1864. Ang dami pong ganap na ito kay 1864. Ito pa. And Mr. Kumayas, make it pangatlo na to. At tabla pa yan kay 3704. Kaya pala, more on Mr. Kumayas. Ang pang-apat na pala, kasama na pala yung 1895. Okay. 1874. Start up early in season 2 si Mr. Kumayas. Kumayas world. The world of Kumayas. The world of Kumayas. Kumayas world. Ayan. Ayan. Bali kay 1874, next kay 1895, at dalawa ito kay 1864 and the Kumayas world. The world of Kumayas is here. Yan, kaya araw ng linggo na. At siya nga pala, back to back sa biyaheng Cubao. Lucena Cubao, back to back. Ang gawin natin. Bago ang finale ng #alagang Jack All Access. Kaya nga, ano ang ginagawa na natin? So, previously, may payo ko lang sa inyo sa mga bagong mag-a-apply po ng trabaho, mag-apply kayo ng trabaho sa Jackliner. And of course, to God to be glory and the glorified. Well, muli ako po si Joyan Montilla. Pasalamatan mo natin si Pangulo Romeo Alonsagay. And of course, ang ating mga kaibigan po natin sa South Central Luzon Conference led by their president, Pastor Jasper Flores. And of course, Women's Ministries, sa Children's Ministries, You Dynamicus, syempre, andun si Pastor Romel Bautista, and of course, Publishing Department po, sa Publishing Department of South Central Luzon Conference also, as well as Princess Vidal, and of course, Bang Bueno ng Solid Prado. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Have a nice day. Palma, Alaminos, Laguna. Mga kaibigan, welcome to the Kumayas World. A documentation for the Kumayas World, another video again. Kumayas World. It's a Kumayas World. Oh my gosh! From this to this. Eto na ang partner ng kasama na natin sa hanap buhay at sa habang buhay na panahon. This is Country Veggie Foods. Idols Fitness Gym, located at M. Leonor Street, San Pablo City, Laguna. Gym na tayo, only here at Idols Fitness Gym. Tara, let's kain na sa Veggie Yum, located at 240 Maharlika Highway, Barangay San Rafael, San Pablo City, Laguna. Malapit sa SM City, San Pablo. Kaisa ang LLI Bus Company para sa Harvest 2025.